Gemini, hi, welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a reading for you guys. This is from 16th to 23rd of September 2020. Thank you so much, guys, for your liking, subscribing, and sharing. Thank you so much for your beautiful comments and your appreciation. And I'm wishing you so many blessings, happiness, abundance, prosperity, health, wealth, so many good vibes from me to you guys. So yeah, Gemini, let's start your reading. This is for the Gemini people from 16th through 23rd of September 2020. So let's see what is coming for the Gemini. What is coming for the Gemini? Okay, let's cut the deck for you guys. This is for Gemini people from 16th through 23rd of September. Yeah, High Priestess is here. Okay, this is the overall energy. Queen of Cups. Maybe some of you are dealing with water sign, Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio. Earth signs, Queen of Pentacles, Capricorn, Taurus, and Virgo. Seven of Cups, Nine of Pentacles, Lovers. Wow, this is you, Gemini, right in the heart of your spread. This is you here. See? Wow. Fool. Fool is an Aries card. Okay, so maybe some of you are dealing with another Gemini or Aries, water sign, earth sign. Wow, Empress is here. This is Taurus, Libra. Okay, and the Ace of Swords. Okay, so wow, beautiful. And we have the Temperance here. This is the Temperance of the Tarot. Here in this good tarot, it's Patience card. Okay, so Sagittarius. So wow, it's beautiful. With the High Priestess, I'm feeling that Gemini, you know what decision you need to make, you know where it goes, because this is the Lovers card, this is the decision, this is the choice point. Okay, so maybe there is a need for you to make a decision for yourself, for a new beginning, and you know that where it will take you. You know it because you are the High Priestess here. Wow. Okay, with the Queen of Cups, Queen of Pentacles, and the Seven of Cups, I'm feeling that you are working, you have worked on yourself. That's clear. With the High Priestess, you have built a very strong connection with the divine. With the Queen of Cups and the Queen of Pentacles, definitely you are nurturing yourself, you are loving yourself, and that is why you are having options, because you are doing this with yourself. That's great, and that is why universe is giving you so many options with the Seven of Cups energy, which is great. So now it's up to you what you want to choose right now. With the Nine of Pentacles, yeah, this is the energy you are having right now. So you are capable of making a decision, you are capable for choosing a person, maybe whatever your options having right now, you are very capable. Okay, and if you want new beginning in your life, then you are capable. You have money, you have stability, you have confidence, you have that belief within yourself that yeah, I can do whatever I want to do with the help of the universe, and universe is helping you continuously. With this High Priestess, through your intuition, universe is helping you. Okay, so it's up to you now universe is giving you the time for making a decision. So just make it if you want new beginnings in your life. This is great. With the Nine, it's a completion of a cycle of your life. Okay, Five of Wands, Empress, and Ace of Swords. Definitely you're coming out of this conflicts. You're not in this lower vibration energy, you're not anymore. You are in this Empress, in this High Priestess energy. See, we have the divine feminine cards, Queen of Cups, Queen of Pentacles, High Priestess, Empress. So these are the divine feminine cards. Okay, and with the Ace of Swords, it's your truth. that definitely you are here on the Empress position. You are capable of achieving everything, which is great. So now you need to make a decision. What do you want really? Like, what is your real desire? Your real truth? Okay. What is this High Priestess here for the Gemini? Okay. Already 3 cards. Sun. Wow. Beautiful. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Wheel of Fortune and Ace of Pentacles. Wow. Wow, Gemini, it's beautiful. So universe is giving you your truth. This is, everyone can see your light. Like your truth is shining. You are shining right now in front of the people. Okay. I'm feeling that with this Sun card, definitely something very beautiful coming your way, Gemini. It's a good news. Maybe it's an offer of a commitment, of a long-term partnership. Maybe it's a business offer. Whatever you want to say it, just say it. Okay, it's an offer, but it's long-term. It's solid. It's about money. It's about long-term partnership. It's about that tangibility. Okay, some tangibleness is in here. So maybe someone wants to offer you their pentacle. Maybe it's an engagement, because things are changing for you swiftly. Wheel is turning in your favor. So 3 major arcanas. Beautiful. Okay, let's see what are these options here for you, Gemini. What is the 7 of Cups for the Gemini? Beautiful. 7 of Cups, 4 of Swords, 3 of Cups, 8 of Cups. Okay. Yeah. And see, Gemini, Virgo energy, Magician energy is here. Yeah, Gemini, I was telling you, this is Gemini, Virgo energy, Magician energy. So you are manifesting it because you have the firm, strong belief in the universe that universe can give me whatever I will ask for me. So you're asking for it. That's why the options are here. I'm feeling that in this 7 of Cups energy, maybe there are some past persons, or maybe there are some new person, but the opportunities are all around you. Okay, so that's why you are thinking and contemplating to make a best decision for you. And by doing this, maybe someone wants to reconcile with you. This is the person from past, where whom you walked away from. You have walked away from this person because of some reasons, because this is emotional drained personality. Okay, so you were emotionally drained in that connection, and that's why you walked away. And maybe now this person wants reconciliation with you and you don't. That's why you are thinking that what I need to do, because I have new persons, I have new options, and I have the past person return also. So what I need to do, this is the decision for that. Yeah, maybe you are 2 persons, old and the new. What is this Lovers here for the Gemini? What is this Lovers here? Page of Cups, 7 of Pentacles, Chariot. Maybe some of you are dealing with a Cancer. Okay, I saw the Tower card. Yeah, maybe you have a breakup with a Cancerian, and because they didn't appreciate you and your time and your effort and your energy, and now they want to apologize. They want to apologize, Gemini, and maybe you're not looking at them. You are moving forward, and maybe you are moving forward in your life, for your stability, for your money, for your growth, and that's why you are not looking at this person, and that's why you are not noticing at as well because you're focused on yourself, which is great. So this person is coming for you. Maybe it's a surprise for you. Yeah, it's a surprise. This person is not telling you that they're coming, but they are coming, because this is also travel card with the Ace of Swords. Let's see, what is this Fool here for the Gemini? What is this Fool here for the Gemini? Eight of Pentacles, Knight of Wands, Eight of Wands, and Six of Pentacles. This person really wants to work things out with you. They want communication with you. They want to work things out with you. They want to tell you that they still have passion for you. They still want to have that passionate communication with you. They still want to balance things out with you, but you want equal give and take with the Six of Pentacles present here. So maybe they want second chances, and that's why they are convincing you to give them a chance. Yeah, they're convincing you. So that's why you are on a decision point with this Lovers card. What is this Ace of Swords here? So these are your thoughts, that this person has wasted my time and they didn't appreciate me in the past, and I have now new options. So why do I give this person a chance? Why? Ace of Swords, please. This is your thinking. Ten of Wands, Six of Pentacles. This really wants to come out. Two of Swords. Yeah. So for the past person, Gemini, I'm feeling that you want to put this burden down, the past burden, and you want equal give and take. You want balance, and that's why you're blocking this past person, because of the experience you are having with this past person. Because I'm feeling that you just don't want to give them a chance, because you think that you have already wasted so much time of yours, and you just don't want to waste anymore. That's it. You're not ready for giving this person a chance, but they're asking for a second chance. So yeah, Gemini, this is I have for you. I hope it helped. If it is, you can give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Also, you can share it with your friends and family if you find it helpful, and you can give me your suggestions in the comment section down below. So yeah guys, bye.